Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to use pen tools. To use pen in Blender, you can click this hand icon, click, hold, and it will be automatically use pen. The other option, you also can use mouse, can press shift button, hold, and then press middle mouse. It will be show for the pen like this. Okay, there are two options. You can use this hand icon, click and hold. And the second, you can press shift button, hold, and then press middle mouse to use pen. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorials how to use pen. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.